Wala na. Yeah.
Wala na.
Let's go. Yeah, yung ano, yung mga gamit pala. Dito. Meron pa pala dito. Hold on. This one.
I don't want to hold the big one.
Bring the one.
Bring it.
Saan mo ito nilalagay? Ito ba?
Yung malaki?
Ayun, saan mo ito ilagay mo? Ano mo lang. Ako na maglagay nito. Ako na magdala nito. Ano mabigat?
It's short. I mean, this one's lighter. This one's heavier.
Okay. Ayan. Bring this one.
Is this heavy? No, I can't.
Morning.
Ay, siya nag-load pala.
Ako na po sa.
Doon sa taas. Doon sa kanta.
Oh, sige, me.
Kaya mo ma? Ah. Ano lang. Okay, let's go. Let's go straight. Clyde.
Kuya.
Clyde. Clyde.
You can't walk straight. You don't want to walk straight.
Wala naman nakalimutan. Okay na natin. Yung phone ko, Kyrie. Phone. Yeah. Wala na. Ito lang lahat. Tumatawag. Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Okay. Oh, jangan romblon. Diba? What's up, cat?
Meron na. Oh.
Huh?
Porter.
Is that a cat? Huh? Snow White?
Porter.
Oh, it's snow. Yeah.
Wala kang kasama na.
Romblon. Welcome to Romblon. Morning. Hey, Kyrie. What you doing, boy? Santa. Oh, sorry. Morning po. Thank you, thank you. Can you bring this one? Can you wear it? Ha? Sa Romblon. Eh, that one. one out there. The boat? Yeah, that one.
Why are people still sleeping?
Didn't wanna go.
Is it like this, Dad?
Huh?
This?
What? Looks like it's gonna rain.
It is raining.
Montenegro. Saan punta yan, boss? Oo. San Agustin? Ah, San Agustin. Diyan, boss? Oo. Kasya tayo, kasya tayo.
Oo.
Kasya tayo, kasya. Ah. Oy, kasyang-kasya, Calatrava, San Agustin.
Isang kahonan.
Ilan? Yes, sir.
Dito, boss. Oo, sige.
Ito na po kami sa likod.
Sa likod na lang. Oo. Sarap. Available pa doon? Okay. Give me that.
Para dito na lang ang mga gamit.
Oo, sige.
Dito na po, mga bata na lang doon.
Oo. Sa harapan, mayroon. Ito. Dalawa. Kyrie, wanna sit down here? No? You good?
Bayan kayo.
Ow.
Karto na to.
May isa pa diyo.
Here. That's Kyrie.
Mommy gonna sit down there. Dito?
Baka mato.
Okay. Dito ka. Opo.
So Mom's gonna go on the bus.
Mami, mayroon pa dito available, oh. Tabihan mo si Kyrie. Tabihan mo si Kyrie. Tab
I'll see that the back.
Yeah, you should have sat in the back.
Mira.
Mom's sitting in the back.
Why?
She said that she moved our luggage. Look, it's raining so hard.
Nagulat. Dami isda. Dito, dyan. Yeah. Dyan sa ano may pangalan. Got it? Hello po. Wala pa. Ha? Oh, sa restaurant. Come on. Go. Follow mommy. Fast.
You wanna say it, dude? I don't really want to say it. Say hello. Hello. Hello.
Morning.
Daddy. There's no one in.
Asan na yung phone? I-check.
Yeah. Good morning po. Nandito pala siya. Opo. Nandito pala si ma'am. Oh.
It's a long drive.
Yeah, it's a long drive. Ano malaman na ito? Ito marble? Di ba itong ano? Itong hagdan ba? Marble na. Yun. Salamat eh. Uy. Oh yeah. Ang ganda ng
Oh, wow.
Ang ganda ng view. Wow. Mhm. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ano. Ito yung bed tapos
27 is hella hot.
may back bed doon. Taas. It's big, Carrie. Let me see. Show it. Big.
Yeah. There's bunk.
Is it on?
And then
It's big.
there's two beds up here. And it's this space.
Oh, it's already on.
It's not though.
Ano nangyari? Yung AC? Yan na, di ba?
No, because you
21.
can't even hear anything coming out.
Then, ano, press mo yung ano.
What fan? What's fan do?
This is the fan, high, medium.
Antayin.
But there's a fan mode.
There. Uh-huh. Yeah. You have to wait for that to cold. To cool down.
Is that the height? Is that the
Check the
coldest
button.
now?
21 is cold.
Or maybe cold is the coldest and then we'll just set it later.
There's a fan.
Good for that, bring that boot.
Wow. You think so?
Oh, we need towels.
Well, the towels are on the beds.
Oh,
There's 5 billion.
Ang ganda ng ano, bed niya.
Gusto mo pumunta na kay Tata?
Ano mo